I first started by laying my hair into a low bun, making sure everything is flat and well laid, like you can see. So I had braided some hair extension before I started, making sure that I attached the middle of the hair extension with a rubber band in order to attach it easily on my low bun. So I'll just put my fingers into the rubber band and attach it at the back of my low bun, making sure everything is tight and well secured. So at this point, after everything is attached and well secured, I'll just grab my hair extension, the braided extension, and pass it around my hair. By passing it around my head, I have to make sure I hold it so it would not fall down, because at this point we've not yet secured the braided extension with bobby pins, so it's very important to hold it and try to fit it the way you want it to be, just like I'm doing. So at the back, the most important thing is to hide the low bun with the braided extension in such a way that it won't be visible at the end of your hair updo, and pinning everything with bobby pins for it to be secure and well tied. So guys, that's the end result of my hair updo. The side view and the front view, the other side view, and the beautiful smile. Don't forget to smile. So now we're going to go on and start the second hair crown updo, and this is a twisted crown with some little hair strands hanging on both sides to make it cuter. So I started by twisting my hair extension, and while twisting my hair extension, I made sure to remove some hair strand out of the twist. The idea here is to have some hair dropping out of my crown. I think this particular style makes the hair updo very cute and nice. Okay, for the flat twist crown, I didn't lay my hair like the first time. I just partitioned my hair like this, and I'll just go on and braid every left of hair so it should not disturb my crown when I'm about to attach it around my head. while braiding both sides of my head, I just have to make sure at the end of the two braids, I've attached both sides in the end in the form of a low bun for me to be able to attach my twisted hairpiece later on. While crossing my hair piece around my head, I just have to make sure the two leftover strands hang on both sides of my head. I just have to fix it very nice in the desired style I want. Also making sure I cover the braided hair, like the two sides of my hair braided, with a twisted hair extension. Okay, now that I'm done attaching and securing everything, at this point in time I want to curl the two strands hanging. Okay, so at this point I'll just go ahead and take a blow dryer for my curls to be well defined. Guys, you have to note that it's possible for you to curl your extensions without using hot water. I think when you use a blow dryer, it's safer. You don't run the risk of getting burned or getting hurt or something similar. So that's what I always like using. Okay guys, that's the finished look after blow drying and designing my curls exactly the way I want. Okay, that's the back look. Personally, I prefer the second crown, especially the back of the crown, because it looks more elegant. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and see you next time. Bye.